No cops behind me, no cops in front. Wow. Hey? Are we like not going left up here? Are we going straight or something, or? Oh no, we've done James Road once. Yeah, but not this way. Yeah, no, not this way.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty.
Nah, probably not. Probably just gonna chill, ride. Try to do like a vlog where I'm going to go on somewhere a bit more exciting. But I might make like a little clip out of this.
Yeah.
Just like a little Insta clip or something, just to ride. Now I'm thinking about doing like a bit of a vlog on the R3 itself.
On the R3 itself?
Yeah, just talking about like pros and cons. So yeah, I think I'll do something like that eventually. Fuck, burnt out car. 100%. I thought it looks cool though, being on like top of the freeway.
Bag up someone, eh?
Have it. Have it.
Are we off the road now?
Huh?
We're off the road now?
Absolutely no spin at all.
Really?
Yeah, no, it didn't spin also. Oh, car's gone.
I think you turned yours off. Are you scratching your bum because they're looking at you?
Sorry?
They're looking at you like scratch your bum or whatever you're doing. All the people behind you were like looking at you like,
Oh,
I was filming it too. Alright. Let this guy go because I don't know where the fuck I'm going. That's how it's done, boys. You go, you lead the way.